Hey guys, I'm Raul Morelos. I'm a buyer's representative and founder of Mycasa Real Estate, where we have all properties in the region and we can get you the best price. Let's see what our property specialist Lauren has for us today.
Thanks, Raul. Lauren here with Mycasa Real Estate. Today's pick is Musa del Carmen. This location cannot be beat. It is in the south end of the downtown area of Playa del Carmen, on Avenida 15 and 1 Sur. Minutes to the famous 5th Avenue, the beach, and the ferry to Cozumel. Everything is at your fingertips. Completed in December of 2021, this 5-story building has 1- and 2-bedroom loft-style units and 3- and 4-bedroom penthouses available. Priced from $140K to $905K, there are several floor plans available. On the outer ground floor, boutiques and restaurants will line the building perimeter, and when you enter the building, you are transported to a serene oasis with a lobby area and 2 elevators to transport you safely to your destination. The units have spacious high ceilings, state-of-the-art equipment, washer and dryer hookups, air conditioning, and amazing views. The 3- and 4-bedroom penthouse units have spacious outdoor gardens with plunge pools. Each unit also has a maid's quarter, which can also be used as an additional guest room. The amenities include parking, rental management, 24/7 security, reception area, 2 pools, ground floor and rooftop, ground floor lounge area, game room, fully equipped gym, a spa, a rooftop bar, and an open rooftop space for private events. And they even have a jacuzzi. Time is running out. All of the 2-bedroom units have been sold. For more information or to schedule a tour of this property, email us at info@mycasa.mx, where Mycasa finds your casa.
If you'd like more information on this property or on any other property in the Riviera Maya, just email us. Well, thanks for watching, and let's be neighbors soon.